Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to save the results of PowerShell commands to a text file using the outFile command. This method is very useful when you need to keep records of PowerShell output for future reference. Share the results of a script or command with others, or perhaps document system information or error messages. Whether you're a system administrator, an IT support engineer, or just someone who loves using PowerShell, knowing how to redirect output to a file is essential and very important. Okay, let's get started. First, I'll create a new folder where I want to save the PowerShell output. I'll name the folder Results, for example. You can save the output file anywhere you like. The most important thing is to know the file path where you want to save the results. Next, open PowerShell as an administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions to execute all commands and write files. For example, I will enter the command getProcess, and this command displays all the processes currently running on your system. Suppose you want to save or export the output of this command to a text file for any reason. Enter the command followed by outFile and the parameter -FilePath, and enter the path where you want to save the text file. The file name followed by the extension txt as shown on the screen, then click Enter. When you execute the command, you won't see any results in the PowerShell window because the outFile command directs the output or results to be saved to a text file in the path you entered. Opening the path you entered will reveal a text file containing the output or results of the command and saving it. Opening the text file will reveal the entire output of the command, saved as it appears in PowerShell. This means that you can save the output of any command. I will now enter another command as another example, which is the getService command, which exports or displays the list of running services. In the same way, after entering the command, follow it with outFile and the parameter -FilePath, and enter the path where you want to save the text file, and the file name followed by the extension, which is txt, as it appears in front of you on the screen, and press Enter to execute the command. You also won't see any results from the command because we entered the outFile command to save the output to a text file. Opening the path will reveal a text file that contains the output or results of the getService command. You'll find the entire output of the command saved as it appears in PowerShell. That's it for today's video. Using the outFile command, you can easily redirect any PowerShell output to a text file. Whether it's a simple list of services, detailed system information, or any other command whose results you want to save. This is especially useful when troubleshooting, documenting, or automating tasks. It's a simple trick, but it makes your scripts more powerful and your workflow more efficient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.